Well, we've done a lot so far. We looked at QED Wiki. We saw how we could use a mashup in QED Wiki. We wired a widget into a mashup. We looked at Mashup Hub, saw how we could catalog and rate feeds. We harvested an RSS feed, made it into a widget in Mashup Hub, and then we used that in a mashup. What I want to show you here is how we can actually make widgets within QED Wiki. Okay, as you can see, I'm on a page here, and I'm in a playground area, barns, and I want to go ahead and create a new page. I'll create a blank page. Actually, no, let me make this a 2-column page. When I create the page, it tells me I need to give it a name. Good idea. I'm going to create a page just called video just for now. Select Create Page. I've got a 2-column page. I enter into assemble mode, and now I'm going to go and search on a widget that my friend Dan Gasolfi told me about. And Dan totally rocks. He helps me with all of this stuff. And the widget he created was called Dublin Traffic. There we go. Dublin Traffic Updates. I drag this. I drop it onto the page, and here's what you'll find interesting. Notice that it's in a Flash format. It's in a Flash container rendered within QED Wiki, and I just added it as a QED Wiki widget. How do we do that? Well, let me go over to Google. I'm going to search on Dapper, and if you don't know about Dapper, it totally rocks. It's called Dapper the Data Mapper. I'm going to go into Dapper, and this simply explains it. Get any content from the web. I'm going to search on karate. Somebody in Dapper went to a website here for somebody in the karate world. My wife teaches karate. This is near and dear to my heart. They went out there, grabbed that information with Dapper, and now they can output that page as an RSS feed, as a Google gadget, or a NetVibes module, as JSON, whatever. What I want to do, though, is create a Flash widget from that page. Dapper just went out, got the information from that web page. I can scroll down and get the instructors' names. If I wanted to open this in a slider view, I like this view. I click, it opens the information, I click back, and it goes back into the main page. I only have to now, let's say, change the color. Let's make it a blue that I like. All done, get embed code. And when I click on that, that's it. I copy this code. Dapper now lets me go and embed that code in my own page. I'm going to create a new page again. In this case, I will make it a blank page, and I'll just call it video widget. And once again, if I could spell or type, let me go ahead and create a blank page. Once I create the page, assemble mode, page, text editor. I don't need a WYSIWYG editor because all I'm going to do, Control V, I just pasted the text that we grabbed from Dapper. I save it, and I just added that Dapper widget to a page, but it's so far only a Dapper widget on a page. To make it a QED Wiki widget, page, export pages widget. What do I want to call this widget? Let's call it Karate Info. Select OK. And I just created a widget called Karate Info, and now it's available for others to use.